Matthew Explosion with another pack opening video. This is Tarkir Dragonstorm. Let's see what we got in this collector booster. What, I didn't see it. You didn't see it either. All right, we'll see it in a second. Scoured Barrens, Poised Practitioner, Heritage Reclamation, Gurmag Nightwatch, Descendant of Storms, Traveling Botanist, Sonic Streaker, Alternate Art Breaching Dragonstorm. That's pretty cool looking. Jeskai Shrinekeeper Foil, alternate art. Full art Foil Swamp. Fellothar Dawn of the Abzan Foil. Einok Strike Leader, Commander extended art. Sarkin Dragon Ascendant, alternate art, Dragon art, cool. Stillness in Motion. And Ugin, Eye of the Storms. Ooh, double-sided. Man, I think it's just like the head is different. I don't know. Anywho, then we got a Spirit,